Please explain in more detail the changes relating to business meals, and I really think it has to do with employer-provided meals, because those changes have been going into effect, and they were going to go into effect anyways. We got a little clarification with the big one big beautiful bill relating to offshore fishermen. But beyond that, Ty, do you want to jump in on this one? Ty's just
All I can,
well,
well, what's the question?
the question
specifically?
the question is, first I'll give you the easy one, and then I'll give AJ the harder one. Wow. Yeah. Sorry, AJ, I'm going to pick on you. Right? I introduced you that way. So, is there any difference in business meals? I take out my client for a business purpose. Can I still write that off?
A business purpose, not an entertainment purpose. Right?
Correct.
Is that what you're saying?
The entertainment is completely separate.
It's gone.
We can't write that off.
Right. So it's
So
still
after the golf game.
Yeah, it was still the 50%, I believe, still exists for the business meals.
Okay, so there is no change there.
No change.
All right, good. Now, employer-provided meals. AJ.
Yeah, employer-provided meals under Section 119, where let's say you have a secondhand shop and you don't want the employees leaving, so you just provide the meals, and that was set to expire as of 12/31/25 under the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. So the one big beautiful bill actually makes it permanent that employer-provided meals for the convenience of the employer are going to continue to be deductible at 50%. Now, there's another provision that was set to go away. That provision is if you have an employer-provided, like cafeteria, they provide all the meals to the employees. That was set to go, and then that is set to be now permanent. And the third item is coffee and snacks, that's how it's listed, was set to expire, because technically it's only 50% deductible. I'd call it office supplies, but
Like everybody does.
and again, I would never do that.
This is being recorded.
So, yeah, I know. I'm hoping they take my license away so I can just go into the sunset. Yes, I said that. All right? If you want to get me on that one, be my guest. Bring it on. So, you have technically the coffee and the snacks are 50%. Mm-hmm. So that was set to expire, technically expired. So the one big beautiful bill, that's the third part of it, has extended that permanently. So when you buy coffee and snacks now for your office, it is still to be continued at 50%. And there's a part where the commercial industry gets it, and which now includes, they've said it includes the fishermen. So,
Got all that? Good, let's move on.
good idea.
Office supplies, yes. Now, I remember when that all changed, my clients that do their regular bookkeeping, they all had a new account for their coffee and snacks. They buried it under office and didn't give me the expanded P&L, but they did set up the account just in case.
Tax Talk Today, the tax show for the tax pro, is the innovative educational program presented in collaboration with the IRS, designed exclusively for today's tax practitioner.
There's various loss limitation rules we need to be aware of when we have a business activity.
Each program features in-depth panel discussions with key IRS executives and leading authorities from the tax practitioners community. Tax Talk Today features real-time interaction. Innovative and easy to use, Tax Talk Today is the only program that brings the IRS directly to you. Tax Talk Today can be viewed in large groups in the office or from the convenience of your home. To get continuing education credits for watching a program, purchase your CPE credits today. Tax Talk Today, the tax show for the tax pro.